All right, so now we get into the TypeScript settings, and most of the TypeScript settings are pretty much the same as the JavaScript settings. So I'm going to I just added some comments here, and if you want to know the rationale for the values that are inserted in these settings, you can just take a look at the equivalent JavaScript setting, right? So just, for example, if you want to know my rationale for TypeScript preferences quote style, just search for JavaScript preferences quote style, and you'll see why I prefer single quotes. So these are all the TypeScript settings that have an equivalent in JavaScript, the ones that have a comment. So everything from TypeScript auto closing tags up to TypeScript validate enable. And that's pretty much it. If you want to know the rationale for these, just look into the JavaScript equivalent.